My brother-in-law just picked up a new trailer for his ZX14 and he just ordered the Pitbull. I have it here at the studio, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing and just to take a look at it. Okay, so the first thing I noticed taking it out of the box was really solid piece of kit. Seems like it would really last, for a long time. The Pitbull Trailer Restraint system redefined how motorcycles are transported. The trailer restraint system holds your bike from its rear axle and allows both tyres to rest on the floor of the trailer. Patented system, no straps holding the bike down, minimising the space used in the trailer and eliminating the damage caused by ratchet straps. The motorcycle rests on the trailer floor with no added force on the suspension. He did as well go with a front chock just so everything was lined up when he pulled in, so you can just pull straight into the front chock and then that back wheel just goes right into place. The quickest, easiest system available for loading and unloading your motorcycle. You ain't got the lights on in there at the moment, but holds it up really nice, sits well there.
I know this pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep
and they just snap in and then the pins go in there.
I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing, you've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
You can see the whole trailer shaking. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be putting out more videos soon. He just got this trailer, so we'll be adding a lot of bits to this over the next, little while, or the next year probably. So yeah, please like and subscribe.